So for week 2, this is set up very similar to week 1, where you're going to work through the chapter, which deals with formulas and functions. And you are going to want to download module 2, which kind of goes with all of the interactive activities that are in that chapter. So it'll tell you what files to open. There's going to be videos that show you how to do things. So this is basically where you're going to be learning how to enter formulas and functions. And once you're done with module 2, you're going to come down here and enter the discussion for Excel use in your field of study. And so basically you're going to read an article that explains how Excel is used in your field of study. And then you are going to link to the article and read other postings and reply to a couple of them. So when you come in here, you are going to add a new discussion topic. And then what I would do is just go over here. So Excel use in accounting. That happens to be your field. And it does not matter if you watch a video or if you read an article. Either one of them are fine. So here is small business, how to use Excel for accounting. So if this is what you chose, you'd read through here. Okay. And then to copy the link, all you do is click on it. And you can right click and choose copy, or you'll notice that you can press Control and the letter C. Okay. So then when you come back over here and you add the discussion, I would probably say Excel use in accounting. You're going to do a little summary of what the article told you. And then you're going to paste the link. And so you can right click and paste or press Control and the letter V. And that gets the link in there. So you're going to do your summary, you're going to have the link, and you're going to post. Okay? And then once you do that, you need to read postings by others in the class and just reply to a couple of them. Okay, and then you'll notice that we have the training and testing activities. These are set up the same as week 1. So you'll do the training first, and then you'll do the testing. Then we have a quiz, 10 true, false, multiple choice questions, open book, no time limit. Again, I highly recommend opening the book and having that open while you do your quiz, and then you can kind of switch back and forth. Look up answers, make sure that you've done them correctly. And then we have the extra credit project, which does involve downloading files. Okay, this looks a little different because I am not in as a student. I'm actually in here with my instructor account. You will have an instruction file and a starting document that you need to download, just like week 1. Okay, so that is week 2. Basically set up the same as week 1. If you do run into problems or you have questions, please let me know. Keep in mind that you can complete the training an unlimited number of times, but the testing you can only complete 3 times. Your scores are based on percentage. So when you go into grades, and you complete week 2, if you don't get 100%, you are not going to get all 15 points. Same with the testing. So if you get 100%, you'll get all 20 points. If you get 50%, you're going to get 10 points. Okay, so your percentage will show over here, and the points will show here. Okay, and these things are automatically scored in Cengage and pulled into Moodle.